It's time for Friday Focus. I have a message about coaching. If you're a coach, this is totally for you. If you're not a coach, it's for you because we all could deal with this topic. I'm Laura Berman Fortgang. I'm a master credentialed coach, 5-time best-selling author, and TEDx speaker. And today, ripped from the headlines of my practice, what makes someone a master credentialed coach? I can tell you that it's the skill of telling the truth and telling the truth as soon as you know it. But it's really about calling people on their incongruities. So if someone says to me, my family is the most important thing in the world to me, and yet they spend no time with their family, I've got to point out that truth. This is not just a coach thing. You can use this in your life. It's calling people on their own incongruencies, and usually through a question. So again, if someone says, my family is the most important thing to me, and yet they spend no time with them, I'm going to say, well, what is taking your attention? What gets your time? What's truly a priority? It's not your family. See, my indication of doing a great job as a coach is if someone says, wow, that's a really good question, or even better when they say, I hate you for asking that. Yes, I hate you for asking that tells me we've hit a nerve. We've hit on a truth. So when I say to clients, watch out, coaching will change your life. Danger zone, caution, this will change your life. Here's the bottom line. How do you know if you're dealing with a master credential coach? They call you on your stuff right away. Take that into your Friday. I'll see you next week. Take care.